Hello and welcome to the day 8 of the 100 Days Challenge where I'll try to build projects in public. Today we start the second week and we do it by seeing that my videos got no views, so I just got a couple of views that I guess it's me and some crawler somewhere. But yeah, let's continue with that. Yesterday I started marketing the application in Reddit and I explained to you that some things worked, some others didn't. By the end of the day, when I woke up this morning, actually, I got some hundreds of views to some of the posts. The other one just got a few dozens. And yeah, it didn't translate to as many views to the game. So I just removed them and I tried to create them according to the guidelines that the communities had. So basically, here are my 3 posts that I published today. Here, basically, I tried with the indie devs community that just there's a thread that you can just use it for new users so that you can start there and start getting some karma points for later on publishing it in other threads between the community. I also tried with the side project community in a loop where it was drop your product, what are you building this Monday. Those I just got 1 view for each, so they didn't work at all. However, I'll just leave it for the night to see if it changes a bit, but I don't have any expectations on that. Then I tried again with the web games Reddit part and just using their guidelines. They say that, for example, you just have to put the title starting by the name and then you can not put any description, just the link. That one got me almost 200 views. And then if I go to my daily stats, here is a fake URL, but the data is real. You can see here that today there were 33 people who started the game and 25 people who solved that. That makes a bit over 75% of conversion that finished the game. It's not too much, but is more than the 1 user that I used to have for the other days. If we go back to yesterday that I published the first loops, I just got 9 people playing and 7 of them solved the games. Now, I would like to see how many of the people who are here playing today, 22nd, come back tomorrow. So I'll try to just leave it here without posting anything anywhere. If it just spreads the word a bit, if I make it to get 5 or 10 recurrent users, I'll try to add something to get in touch with them and ask them for feedback. Otherwise, I'll try to look for some new projects because I think that one of the goals is to build different projects until one of them actually works. So I don't want to spend a lot of days just working on something that brings me a few dozens of users and that does not go anywhere. So the learnings from today are basically to, if you want to publish here on Reddit, you just need to first see, most of the threads have here on the right how you can contribute that. For example, here if you go to one subreddit, there are instructions on what you can do, what you cannot do. Like, for example, if we go back to this one, web games, here there are more concrete rules on what you can do, that you cannot repost under 3 months since you published the first post about the game. You need to find if this word has been used before, etc, etc. Also, I think it depends on the time, I guess, the time zones and everything, but with just a couple of days I cannot tell you which are the one that works the best. I guess that if we make it to publish different projects, we can check and analyze which are the best times to do it or which are the best subreddits to publish the things. And with that, I hope tomorrow I come with some new ideas. If I don't have any, I'll try to think of something to speak about. And that's all for today. Thank you and see you tomorrow.